Vivian is waking up from her nap, or actually she's been awake. It is 12:28. She's kind of just been doing her own thing for like the past 20 minutes. I'm gonna go in there, get her out of bed, and see if she wants some lunch. What's wrong? I didn't mean to scare you. What happened to your hair? Hi. How was your nap, baby? I didn't mean to scare you. Hi. Day's over. Not really, but it's somewhat over. I am working on dinner right now. I'm doing like an egg roll in a bowl type of situation. And I'm using a potato masher, I can't see it, to properly break down the ground pork because my pack. I actually have to cook this really fast and I don't have the time to vlog, so I'm not going to set you guys up. I'm just going to show you what dinner looks like when we are eating, because I actually have to meet somebody in 20 minutes. Oops. I have to meet somebody in 20 minutes to sell my watch, my Apple Watch. So there you go. Just kidding. I know, we got yours, we got yours. Got egg roll in a bowl. Why is it so blurry? There you go. Egg roll in a bowl with some wontons on top. So far, it's Vivian approved. Hello, hello. What's today? Tuesday, 2:45. Just got home from the office. I worked from 8:30 to 1:30. Picked up Vivian from daycare. Got a coffee from Dunkin', which I'm like almost done with. And then now I'm back home working some more for a few more hours, and then that's it. For a quick second, put you guys over here. For a quick second, I thought that it was already Wednesday, and since the 4th falls on a Thursday this year, we actually have Thursday and Friday off. But it's not Wednesday. It's Tuesday. It's definitely Tuesday. But I'm actually working from home tomorrow. Yes, baby. Because daycare was really full tomorrow for some reason. It was hard to get. I'm on the wait list for 2 different facilities, and I have yet to hear from either of them. Hold on. Vivian wants to say hi. Hi! But yeah, so we're just gonna chill. Or not chill. We're gonna work a little bit. You smell like you want poopies. Did you poopy? I'm gonna go check her diaper, so let's do that. But I just wanted to say hey, happy Tuesday. And I think Amazon just dropped off my package. I heard a sound downstairs, so let's go get that. We might as well walk Coco while we're down there. And then, yeah, so just wanted to say hello, happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a good week. The downstairs is a mess. Don't mind it. I'm just gonna drink my coffee and just pretend the house isn't messy. We're in the middle of purging so that we can properly pack out and not have the movers taking things that we don't need. So the house has been a mess. It's an organized mess, but still a mess. Stop. On the mat, on the mat. Whoa, are you okay? Oh, you okay? Do you need a drink break? break. Do you guys see this mysterious little scratch that I have? I don't know where I got it. It's probably good enough. Using the Tirani sugar-free. Put that away. And that's all I'm gonna have until about noon. I just did an Amazon return at Kohl's. Now we're stuck here because they give you a 25% off coupon. You gonna get something? Look at your face.
I think she's tired.
No, I mean, like, look at this snot. It's funny how moms and dads see different things. You overlooked the dry snot on her face.
I seen it. I got no tissue.
Wanna get this? Hit you in the head with it?
Good plan. You guys hear that?
Okay, so we finally made it home. We actually were out for a good amount of time. I can't ever get the settings right in the kitchen for some reason. You want to help mommy do grocery haul? Yeah. Hey, my little helper. I don't think they can see you. Hi. Hi. Oh, there's Daddy. Daddy's back. Daddy's back. Daddy's back. Guys! Say grocery haul. We're gonna do grocery haul. It's gonna wait for Alwin. Any day now. Showing him that. Hi. Hi. Kiss mommy. Can mommy get a kiss? Kiss. Later. Kiss. Kiss. Please. She probably thinks it's an Oreo. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Be careful, baby. We're just gonna do this without him. First bag. We have living butter lettuce. Uh-oh, baby spinach. Oh, now I think I hear Daddy. I think it's still a little bit blurry. We have tomato, avocado, zucchini. Careful, baby. Second bag. We have milk, some hot sauce, guacamole, and this is for dinner tonight. Carne asada. Ooh, don't touch it, ew! Don't touch Kay dirty. Next bag. French fries. How did you know? Some hard salami and cheese. That's mommy's. Mochi ice cream. Cheese. Cheese. Unsweetened coconut. Bacon. Some chicken tenders. Ground beef. Ground turkey. That's it for that bag. Next bag, we just have eggs. 2 dozen eggs. Or 18. And last bag. No, baby, don't touch that piece. Yeah, honey bunches of oats for you. Some crackers for Vivian that she got hungry in the store. So close that. You have one in your hand, baby. Some chicken stock. Onion flakes. Oh, this is cool. We got these. Stop, baby. These water little infusers. Let's see. Drop one infuser in your water bottle. Wait 5 minutes. Shake occasionally. Leave the infuser in and enjoy. We got the passion fruit mango and blood orange flavor. This was $2 at Walmart. Stop. Some marinara sauce. Haven't tried this one before, so we're gonna try this one. It's no sugar, made with olive oil. And then coconut flour. That's it? All done? All done. Now let's put it away. And you can't help me, so you gotta go down. Let's put all this crap away. What are you doing?
Good.
Are we having lunch? We're having lunch? Having lunch with Eric and Marissa. Oh, you're dark. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Aww. What is that, girl?
She's smiling. She's posing. Huh, Vivian? Say cheese.
Say hi. We're at our favorite Thai place. We ran into Riza. We're at Bahn Thai and where is this? University Heights. There you go. University Heights. Vivian's eating a cream cheese rangoon.
As evident.
Is it yummy? Can you see her? Is it yummy, baby? Is it yummy? Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Just finished having lunch. Gonna go get mommy's daily drug.
EBT?
Liquor store. We're going to Deja Brew Lounge. It's really loud. I don't know if anyone's gonna let us cross because it's a crazy street. We're gonna go to this cute little coffee shop. It's due for a nap, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what we got. It's right now it's like light green, but before it was purple and blue. I'm gonna probably insert a picture of what it looked like before we mixed it. But I got the white chocolate matcha, and then baby, what did you get?
Strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream, both iced coffees. It was a really nice place in there. I think what they did was bought a house and turned it into a cafe.
Had to be.
Which was smart. But it was cute in there, huh?
Yeah.
Did you like how it looked in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You did? Even though you didn't get anything? You still had fun? Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Where to next, baby?
Ikea.
Ikea! We're going to Ikea! Ikea! Okay, take a nap. Take a nap, okay? She's been due for a nap since 11 and it's 12:30. Gaga! That's not very nice.